welcome into yet another episode of Monday's Mail. I have a couple cool things, and one, I don't even know what it is. I haven't even opened it yet, so let's just dive right on into it. With the first thing, courtesy of CampSnap. Yeah, they sent over their like kind of digital, disposable-esque style camera, meaning it resembles a disposable type camera, but it's digital. You snap your photos and you don't even get to look at them until they're on your computer. It lets you live in the moment. Snap the photos, look at them later. I think that's really cool. I haven't used it yet. I just got it, and I think this is gonna be really fun to go out and just kind of mess with. They did send this over to the PO box, but there was no communication, no requirements, no nothing. This was just here. Next thing up is Polaroid film that I purchased, but I just threw in these round frames because I wanted to try out the brand new Go color frames. Finally, it only took Polaroid 5 years for them to make colored frames. What the heck? Why did it take you that long? But either way, we're finally here. We have colored frames for the Polaroid Go. And I got 2 boxes of it because I am taking this on my trip / project / documentary series filmmaking adventure. Yeah, literally in 2 weeks from today. Crazy. Depending on when you're watching this, I guess. Forever 66. Consider supporting the project or following along. Links can be found in the description for more info. Ooh, this one I opened. Maybe you actually saw it because I did post about it yesterday. But in this box comes courtesy of Nice Film Club. Yeah, they sent over some hats. One for me and one for Caleb. More on that in a second. We also have 2 rolls of Kodak Gold 200 film. Nice, thank you very much. We have some stickers, load of Cine Still pins, buttons in here. But the main thing in here is this disposable camera. Not just 1, but 5 of these killer awesome disposable cameras that Nice Film Club offers. Really, really cool. And they even put my logos on there. One for this channel, Make Some Art, baby. And then we've got Forever 66 for the project, because Nice Film Club is actually supplying these for me to use for that project. The goal is I shoot one, Caleb shoots one, because Caleb is coming along on this journey with me. But these 3, I'm hoping, if I could pull it off, it'd be really cool. But I'm hoping I can hand these out to strangers and have them develop and give them photos. I think that'd be really fun. People I meet on the road, on the trek of Route 66, because yes, that's what Forever 66 project is all about, if I haven't mentioned it already. 100th year of the route, and I'm going to be driving the entirety of it from Chicago to LA. Hopefully to see you on the road too. At least some meetup spots. We'll do some photo walks, just hang out and have a good time. And yeah, hopefully I can give these out to some people along the way and let them capture their epic trek, adventure, good time on film. Really fun little side project. There was also 2 t-shirts they sent as well. I don't know where I put them. I think they're downstairs. But more on Nice Film Club in the future, because we got a project that we're going to be working on outside of this too. It'll be incorporated into the Forever 66 project. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Oh, next up is, from one of you. Thank you. Shout out to Michael. This has been sitting in the living room for like 4 or 5 days, and I've been itching to dive into this box, but I'm like, nope, I'm gonna wait to open it on camera. So let's open her up together. Wait, what? That didn't cut at all. Probably should use scissors. Where's my knife? This wasn't the knife I was thinking of, but it should work. There we go. If you want to send some stuff over the PO box and let me open it on camera, or more accurately struggle to open it on camera, you can do so with the PO box information in the description. All right, we're in. We've got bubble wrap. There's a note. Let's save that until after we look at what the heck's in here. We have a bag, a Polaroid bag. Wow. And a box. It's empty. But I bet you this is in this bag, hopefully. Ooh, got some film. That is crazy cool. Wow, that is very generous. That will help a lot on this project. Film in general is very, very crucial. Ooh, we also have, ooh, wow. Ooh, wow. Polaroid NOW Gen 3. The teal one. This one just came out, literally, like few weeks ago, I think. We also have this really nice camera bag. Oh, and there's a photo in here of a train. I wonder if he took that. Well, it'll go in my binder along with your note, because all the notes and letters I receive, I put in a little binder, a little scrapbook, if you will. We got Chris. Here she is. The Teal Now Gen 3. I include some film and the original box. Glad to help. I appreciate your show and all you do. Yours, Michael, New Mexico. Nice. Well, I'll be traveling through New Mexico for this project, and we might just have to meet up. But check this out. There's a lens cap, a 3D printed lens cap. It says number 2 on it. Nice. I actually really dig the color. Ooh, there's film in here. There is film. Ooh, but one of them got pushed out. Probably during transit. one of the photos is actually sticking out. It happens during travel sometimes. All right, cool. I'll mess with that. But look at this strap. Ooh, this is an official Polaroid one too. That's really cool. I have an SX70 that this might look way cooler on. Even though I actually really dig. I really dig that color a lot. Look at that. Ooh, that's super comfy. Shock absorbing. That's cool. Well, I will be doing a review on this camera. There's also a little sticker on the back that says New Mexico. Nice. Well, this was a very generous, Michael. Seriously, thank you so much. This will be put to great use, especially this film. I'll be bringing this film along the journey. The film is very appreciated right now. But yeah, be on the lookout for a review of the regular now, Gen 3 Teal version. Well, that is all I got for you for another exciting episode of Monday's Mail. If you want to send some mail over to the P.O. Box, information is in the description. And who knows, I might just open it up here on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you again to Michael for sending over this really cool camera and film. But until next time, get on out there. Make some more.